Hey, what up, Trusted Signals? I want to go over this buy signal that came in on US30 right here. Once I saw the buy signal come in and break these MAs, and right around here is when I decided to enter. Now let's check out MT4. Boom, just like that. I entered quite a few number of times and it is skyrocketing. So I'm going to go ahead and close my positions. I'm going to close this one out. Close this one out too. Close this one out. And close this one out here too. Boom, just like that. And if you look here on Trusted Signals, let's take a look at the 1 hour. You could see that it's already reaching the top of this doji scalper resistance line. So this right here would be a good time to exit the trade, riding this whole movement and exiting out right there. So might as well go ahead and close this one out too. Close, boom. And to wrap up this video, I'm gonna show you guys so you can see it's a real account.